So I was really excited to receive these products, and honestly at this point I was just really disappointed, and then they did something that I've never seen any other brand do before. Hi guys, I hope you're all having a wonderful day and welcome back to my channel. I am so beyond thrilled to be reviewing Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics today. If you guys don't know who Jaclyn Hill is, she is a beauty YouTuber, and honestly, if she's not my favorite, she's one of my favorite beauty YouTubers. I started following her when I very first started YouTube, and it's just been so awesome just to see her grow and finally start her own brand. So I'm super excited to be talking about my experience buying the brand today, trying on the products, and just talking about Jaclyn in general. So I hope you guys are excited for today's video, and let's get started. So I've been a huge Jaclyn Hill fan for years. Of course, today I might look a little bit different than I normally do my videos. I try to channel my inner Jaclyn Hill like as best as I possibly could. This is even a shirt that she wore in one of her tutorials. It's not like the actual shirt that she wore, but I remember seeing it and I looked everywhere for it. I was so excited, and it was sold out, but my mom actually found it in my size and got it for me for my birthday. So if this looks familiar, that's why she wore it. I'll have to like link down the video below so you guys can see the video she wore it in.
Hello! Today I'm going to be doing a question and answer. I was like, what is this called?
What originally drew me to Jaclyn was I just love her personality. She's so fun, and it was just so obvious how much she loved makeup, and I could really relate to that. And honestly, I feel like I've learned so much from watching her tutorials over the years. And Jaclyn, if you ever for whatever chance see this video, I'm such a huge fan, and congratulations. It's so exciting that you were launching your brand. Basically what she did was she came out with 20 nude lipsticks. I think it's awesome because if you've been watching her for a while, you know how much she loves a nude lipstick. Like that's just like one of her favorite things. So I thought it was so true to who she was that that's what she launched her cosmetics line with. I thought it was awesome, and I was excited. I bought 5 different shades. I bought the Nude Mood kit. It came with like 3 different lipsticks. These lipsticks do retail for $18 each, and they were $49 in the little trio. I do believe they're going to restock some of their products, so if you guys are interested in the products I'm wearing, I'll link them down below so you can see which shades I ended up getting. So yeah, with her lipsticks, I was really excited. I was on the website right before they launched, so I was able to get in on the website. Like, I think they launched it like a minute or 2 early, so I was already refreshing, so I was able to quickly go in and get the products that I wanted. I know the lip trio I got, the Nude Mood lip trio, did sell out pretty quickly, and I was really grateful that I had the opportunity to grab it. Well, I grabbed 3 other lipsticks as well, one of them being the shade Mom that I didn't try on in this video because I'm going to give it to my mom because she's always looking for a good pink lipstick. But I was really excited. I feel like I had enough time to figure out what I wanted before purchasing. I really did like that they had all the swatches of the lipsticks online because I was deciding between the shade Sophia and Perfectionist. I was having a hard time just looking at Jaclyn's swatches, deciding which one I wanted to get. I ended up getting Perfectionist. That's like the color I'm wearing right now, and I really did like it a lot. So when I was checking out, I didn't have any issues. I know a lot of people were saying it kicked him out of line. I think since I got in early, I didn't have any issues. I did decide to go with upgraded shipping. I didn't know how many days upgraded shipping was. It said for the original normal shipping, it said it was 3 to 5 business days, but the option for upgrade shipping was $12, and then later when I was looking at the website, it did say it was 2 business days. So I went ahead and ordered my order. I was so excited, and I got the little confirmation, but it just said, your order has been placed. You will get an email shortly letting you know what your order number is, and you'll also get a notification once it's shipped. So I didn't receive an email, I want to say for about like a half an hour or so, or maybe it was an hour. It was a somewhat significant amount of time to let me know that my order had been placed. I didn't get an order number right away, but eventually I did get an order number, which was really nice. I was on Twitter and I was seeing there was a lot of people having issues with the website, saying that they were kicked out and they lost items in their cart. I was really thankful I didn't have any issues like that. So then I saw that people were saying later on too that their order had already shipped. And then a couple days go by, and I see this was on a Wednesday, I believe, and on a Friday and Thursday, people had already started to get their packages. And I'm like, wow, that's really awesome that upgrade shipping is really doing a good job. Like, that's so cool that people ordered it like the day before, 2 days before, and they're already getting their products. But I still didn't get my email saying that my order had shipped. And I was like, well, this is weird because I paid for upgrade shipping, and there are people who already got their packages that didn't pay for upgrade shipping. So I was pretty bummed because I'm like, okay, like why pay upgrade shipping if you're not going to get it in an upgraded amount of time? And so I was getting really bummed, but I knew that obviously it's a huge launch and I'm sure they're really busy. So I sent them an email saying, hi, I'm sure you're flooded with emails right now and I'm very excited to try out the lipsticks. I paid for upgrade shipping, and looking at the website, it says it's estimated to take around 2 business days. I've been looking at the IG stories and seeing other people have received their packages already shipped, and some have already received them. Since I pay for upgrade shipping, when should I expect to receive an email that my items have shipped? I wasn't trying to demand a refund. I never even say the word refund in here. I just said, since I pay for upgrade shipping, when should I expect to receive an email that my items have shipped? So that was the only question I asked. I didn't even ask for a refund. So I was really excited to receive these products, and honestly at this point I was just really disappointed. And then they did something that I've never seen any other brand do before. And they not only emailed me on a Sunday, they shipped my items on a Sunday, and then they also refunded me more than what I paid for the upgraded shipping. So they sent me a generic email saying, you know, we're so sorry, we're just flooded right now. It's very generic email. But then on top of the generic email, they sent me a second email and they said, hey Mackenzie, thanks for your email. We can't blame you for being super excited for your haul. Because that's what I mentioned. I said, hey, you know, I'm just really excited. And they referenced that. So I can tell already this is like a personalized email. We hope you received our email letting you know that we have refunded your upgraded shipping fee. You can expect to see that refund on your original form of payment within the next 2 to 5 business days. Your Jaclyn Cosmetics order was shipped on June 2nd, 2019, which was a Sunday. It was the same day as this email. And they said you can obsessively track your order using the link below, but please allow 24 to 48 hours for tracking to update online. Let us know if you need anything else. Keep it bougie, Claire, Jaclyn Cosmetics. So I thought, well, first of all, they answered my question, because my question was like, when can I expect to see my package? They let me know it already shipped. They sent me the tracking email, and then they like addressed my, basically what I said in the email enough where I could tell like this was like a personalized email that they had sent. And honestly, like, I was disappointed that I didn't get like the packages as soon as I had hoped with the upgrade shipping, but the fact that they not only sent my items on a Sunday, on a weekend, which never happens. They also refunded me without me asking. They refunded me more than what I paid for shipping. And then they also sent me a personalized email too, to make sure that my original email was addressed. It wasn't just a generic email. So I was really, really impressed by that, and I feel like I know I wasn't alone in paying for upgraded shipping and not having that fulfilled. I know I had other friends that were like that, and I know that I still, even though I paid for upgrade shipping, I still received my items later than people who paid for regular shipping. But honestly, I was really impressed with their customer support. I thought that was really great that they did. Honestly, I would have been impressed by like one of those things, but they did all three, and to me that was just blew me away, because I know how busy they are right now getting all these orders ready. So I was just really impressed with that, and I really wanted to share that experience just because I know there's a lot of negativity right now and hype about this product, but then just to have them go above and beyond, just especially when they're so busy, just really spoke so much to me, and I just thought that was really, really admirable, and I really wanted to share that with you guys. So I started filming this video when it was light out, and now it's much darker. The sun has gone down, so when you guys see my lip swatches, it will look completely different and much better lighting. So I hope you guys are excited to see some of the lip swatches of the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics lipsticks. I keep calling Jaclyn Hill. It's Jaclyn Cosmetics. Jaclyn Cosmetics lipsticks. There we go. Whew. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited to see now the swatches that I did of the Jaclyn Cosmetics lipsticks. Alright, so let's open the package. I am so excited. I literally obviously have not opened it yet, and I cannot wait. I love that she has custom packaging. Alright, so what I got was I got the trio. This is the Nude Mood Trio. Here we have the shades Nude AF, Amazeballs, and also Obsessed. I did also grab a few more colors. I grabbed Mom, which I won't be swatching because it's for my mom, but I will probably show you guys the color. And I also got Perfectionist and Isla as well. I'm going to start off by opening Mom. Again, I'm not going to swatch this because I did get it for my mom, but I will open it and just see what it looks like. This is such a beautiful lipstick. I absolutely love the packaging. I just think it's so pretty, and I actually really do like the little diamond up top. Just seeing videos of it, this is my first time seeing it in person, I think it looks so much prettier in person. So this is the shade Mom. It is such a beautiful, beautiful pink shade, and I know my mom is absolutely going to love it. She's always in search of a pretty pink shade, and I think she's going to love this one. So the first one I'm going to swatch is the shade Perfectionist. I'm going to swatch this, I think, on my arm. So that's one swatch, and then if I go over it a second time, a couple more times, that is the shade Perfectionist. I'll bring it back a little bit so you can see. I am pretty fair right now, but this is a really pretty color. Next up we have the shade Isla. I'm gonna do one swatch. That's just one swipe, and then go over it again just to make it a little bit more pigmented. I think this one's gonna be my favorite. It's such a pretty color. And then going in with the trios, I'm really interested to see what these are gonna look like. I feel like from seeing her swatches, Nude AF is going to be a little fair on me. So when you open up the trios, they do come all together like this, in individual packaging, which is nice. So this is the shade Nude AF. Whew, that is very, very nude, almost like the same color as my skin. I'm gonna swatch that a little bit lower. So that is one swipe there. I'll do another one. They're actually pretty good, even just with one swipe. I actually like that more than I thought I would. I feel like I'm more of like a nude pink person, like more on the pinky side. But I was excited to try this because it's a little different. This is the shade Amaze Balls right here. One swipe. It's really pretty. You can tell it has like almost the same undertones as Nude AF. And then Obsessed, I'm so excited. Actually, this is my favorite shade when I saw her swatch them. This is the one I was the most excited about. One swipe, two swipes. Wow. It's actually very close in comparison to Maze Balls. I'd say these three, it's interesting that she paired these three together because I feel like looking at them in person, they're all within the same undertones. Definitely different than the other ones I swatched. So you guys can see these 5 shades up close, that is what they look like. I feel like the camera is reading them pretty true to color. It might be a little bit cooler than it is in person. Alright, so now that I've swatched these, I don't even know which one to try on. I'm so excited. I'll just start with the lightest one and then just go from there. Alright, so this is Nude AF. I do feel like this is going to be a little bit too pale on me, and this is as fair as I get pretty much, so this will be interesting. So yeah, this color is definitely way too pale for me. It is very creamy. I'd say it's very pigmented, but yeah, definitely too pale for me. And I mean, this is as fair as I get usually, so it would be interesting to see this on other people. I think on my arm it swatches better than it does on my skin. What really drew me to this shade though is I saw her layer it with other shades. So I think I'm gonna do what she does is she puts this like in the middle and she uses it with other shades. I'll probably be doing that, just a way to kind of like bring some dimension to my lips as opposed to just wearing this color by itself, because it definitely washes me out. At least they come off easily. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. The next one I'm going to try is Amaze Balls. This one still might be a little too light for me. We'll have to see. So this is the shade Amaze Balls, and in person I feel like it actually looks a lot prettier than it does on camera. I feel like on camera I still look pretty washed out, and this is also as pale as I get, but in person I feel like it's really, really pretty. It's a different shade. I'd say it's a little bit darker of a shade than Nude AF. To me it seems like it's still in the same undertone range, but it's a little bit darker, so I feel like this really works for me. This is also as pale as I get, so it'd be interesting to see what this looks like once I am tan, but I do really like this color and I definitely like it better than Nude AF. I think Ela is going to be my favorite though. That's the one I'm rooting for. The next shade I'm going to try from the trio is Obsessed. Okay, this color is literally the same color as my lips. That's so crazy. Out of all the colors in the trio, Obsessed is definitely my favorite, and this is the one I was the most excited about. I feel like it matches my natural lip color so perfectly, and I feel like this one, even on camera, I can definitely tell like it gives me more color, and I don't look as washed out as I did with the other two in the trio. So this one is definitely my favorite so far. I still think I'm gonna like Ela the best, but I'm really impressed with how this turned out. They all feel really comfortable on my lips too, so I am going in with makeup remover, so my lips are getting a little dry, but I feel like they're still really creamy. They do come off pretty easily, but so far I'm really impressed, and this is definitely the color I feel like I'm going to wear all the time. It matches my lip color perfectly. It's so, so beautiful, and I feel like I could understand what Jaclyn was saying about there's a nude for everyone and just everyone finding their perfect nude. Like, I think this is my perfect nude and I'm really excited about it. So now I'm going to try the two colors I bought outside the trio. I'm going to do Ela first because it is lighter than Perfectionist. Although I do think Ela is going to be my favorite. I know for me, when I gravitate towards nude lipsticks, I usually go for ones with pink undertones, and I feel like this one is going to be my favorite, although I do really like Obsessed. So this is the shade Ela, and I do really like it. I think I actually might still like Obsessed more. I think this is such a pretty color though, and I do think it matches my top pretty well. I know that I always gravitate towards more pink shades, so I can see myself wearing either this color or Obsessed all the time. And I guess like I'm most impressed by Obsessed because that's a, I just rhymed, that's a color I don't normally go towards, and this is a color I definitely already have in my collection, but I still really love it and I think it's really pretty, and I think it does look really nice on my face. It looks great on camera and in person as well. I just feel like this is a shade that gives more color to my face, and it'll be interesting again to see what this looks like when I am tan. Alright, so we have one more, and that is Perfectionist. Honestly, when I was buying them online, I had a really hard time deciding between this one and Sophia. They both looked really similar, and now I'm kind of kicking myself for not getting Sophia, but I didn't want to get two of the same, almost pretty much exact same color. So when I was looking back and forth and looking at the swatches, I did decide to get this one, but I was, again, very close to buying Sophia, so I wish I had that one to compare, but this color looks really pretty too. Okay, this color is literally the color of my lips right now. That's crazy. I mean, it barely looks like I have lipstick on. That's so fun. Okay, this one might be my favorite. I keep saying that about all of them, but this one actually might be my favorite. This matches my lip color so well. I feel like Obsessed does as well, but this is like, after like my lips are getting a little raw because I've been like removing the lipstick, this one I feel like really matches, and it's so pretty. I love this shade. Okay, take back what I said. I think this one's my favorite, and I'm really glad I got it. I'd be interested to see what Sophia looks like in comparison, but I just feel like this matches my coloring so well on camera and off camera. I just think it looks so pretty, and I just really like it. I think it's really fun. I just think it's so glam. I just like how glam it is. Like, this is definitely not like a natural lip color. I think if I was going to wear like a really natural everyday look, I would wear probably Obsessed or Amazeballs. But if I have a full glam makeup look on like I do right now, like this, I feel like matches that the best. Like, I feel like this one kind of like stands its own ground, whereas the other ones were kind of like overpowered by the blush and the eyeshadow. So that is it for this video, and wow, the lighting has changed quite a bit. It's amazing what happens when the sun goes down. But I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Have you bought Jaclyn Hill lipsticks? Honestly, if you're watching this video, you probably have. And I was thinking about that with the launch too. I know the lipsticks were kind of pricey. People were kind of talking about that. But at this point, I don't think anyone's purchasing these lipsticks without knowing who Jaclyn Hill is. Maybe in the future, she'll get some more customers that don't know her from YouTube. But right now, because she's just starting out and all the hype's been on social media, people probably, I'd say at least 99% of them know who she is or have seen her videos before when they bought these lipsticks. So I absolutely love them. I think they're absolutely beautiful. And I really love that she did nude lipsticks, because if you've been watching her videos, you know how much that is such a passion for her, and she loves nude lipsticks, and I always trust her opinion on nude lipsticks, so I knew I was going to love these, and I did. So let me know what you guys think. Did you guys buy some lipsticks? Did you have any crazy experiences when you were ordering the lipsticks? Did you get all the shades you wanted? Do you like your shades? I'd love to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!